Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great today. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this faux bang, faux bun look on my hair using expressions in number 27. I also use Got to Be Glued to set the look so it'll be long wear. Come on in and enjoy. I had fun doing this and I hope you have fun watching. Guys, so basically what I'm doing here is just slicking my hair up in a pretty taut ponytail. I am positioning it, or trying to position it right in the crown of my head because I don't want the bun to be too high on the top and I do not want it to be too low. Kind of want it sitting right in the middle. I use Got to Be Glued, as I stated earlier, in the black container. Not the one in the yellow. I forget the names of each because I typically don't use it because it gets very hard. And as you see here, I'm using the Eden hair curl product. I forget what it's called. I have it in a description box, but I'm just using that to moisturize. It's always great to moisturize when you're putting your hair in any top knot or any bun. That way your ends are super fine and okay when you take your protective style down. I cut the hair in half twice for the bang portion and left it a little bit lengthy for the bun portion. The longer the hair on your bun, the more volume and the bigger the bun you can achieve. So that's why I'm doing it this way. If you want a long bang, and of course you can leave it long and then cut it to shape afterwards, but it was easier for me to do it this way. This step, you want to have your iron on the lowest setting that it possibly has. If it has the setting notches, you don't want it to be too hot, because if you do, you will definitely crinkle the hair. I had it a little bit too hot because there's a few crinkles, but I was able to get them out. And if you're not comfortable doing this, I advise you damp your hair a little. But this is what I'm basically doing to bump it and to give the hair a more human look. This hair is amazing that it's able to do this. I enjoy working with Expressions hair. Very durable. This is how we're looking in the back. It's kind of jacked up back there, because you know you can't see in the back of your head. And this mirror I have is not my mirror, it's my husband's mirror, of course, that he uses when he cuts his hair. That's why it looks like that. So forgive the way that looks when it was on hand. Excuse me, but I did fix it down to my liking towards the end. You have to stay to the end to look at the results, and also to make sure you hide those knots from crocheting the hair in your bang. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. This is the final result. This is what I achieved doing this style like so. I really like it. I think it turned out great. Really feeling that bang is on what they say, young people fleek, if I said that right. But it's a very inexpensive style. It's a protective style. Come on back to my channel for more. I will continue to post very frequently because I'm a new channel trying to grow, so I want you to have a lot of things to see. And always like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video.